Okay, this is how to make the cube and curve mesh building tutorial in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we can make the rectangle in here. We can make this rectangle in here. Then now we can make the 2-point arc. We can use the 2-point arc in here until to the position. Okay, now we can draw like this, and now we can draw like this. Okay, and after that, now we can select move to the position. Then now we can push it up, type 1 meter, and enter in here, triple click, and also make component. Then now we can create. Then now we can select move, type control, and just place. Then now we can select move, type control. Then we can move it up, type 4 meter in here. Then we can select move, type control again, and again and again in here. Okay, now we can make the rectangle. We can make the frame in here. Okay, select this. Then we can click and push it to the front, type 200 millimeter in here, triple click, right click, and also make component, and then just create. Okay, and after that, now we can select the materials. We can use the metal materials in here. Now we can just double click the surface and unselect the plane and select copy, exit from the group. Okay, and then now we can select edit and just paste in place in here. Now we can offset it outside until to the position in here. Okay, or maybe just like this position. Then now we can move it up. Okay, sorry, we can move it up a little bit and right click and select the weld edge. Okay, now we can select the J8S powerbar plugin with the selected copy along path. Okay, then we can just set up about the distance. I set up the distance 1.5 meter, enter, and just click the component in here, and it will be automatically just like this, but it's still inside, so we have to move it outside in here. Now we can just offset it outside. Sorry, we can just offset it outside until sorry, we can double click and offset it until the position in here. Now we can erase some unnecessary line here. Okay, now we can click this line, this weld edge line, and then now we can select the flip copy along path and just click this one in here. Okay, now we can erase some unnecessary line and stay the materials with the metal aluminum materials in here, and select this one and make group. Then now we can select a move and just place to the position in here, and triple click and push it up, type 2.5 meter in here. Okay, just like this. So this is about the arrangement of the frame, of the vertical frame, by following the path in here with your own shape in here, with your own shape of this building in here. Okay, then now we can erase some unnecessary line here, or maybe we can keep this one, and then now we can select move. Okay, now we can select move, place, and then now we can offset it inside, type 100 millimeter in here, and just make the edge of the line in here. Now we can erase, then we can push it down, type 200 millimeter, and okay, now we can double click and make component, and then just create. Okay, now we can select the aluminum. Okay, then now we can select a move, type control, and just place to the position in here. Okay, you can place. Okay, now we can select a move, type control, and just place to the every single floor in here. Okay, and after that, now we can make the another envelopes. Now we can make the another envelopes in here with using this one. Okay, we can just double click and unselect the center plane and copy, exit from the group, and then just edit and just paste in place. Okay, then now we can select a move. Okay, we can select a move, place, and offset it outside. Okay, to the position, and offset it outside 20 millimeter in here. Okay, now we can just click and push it down, and then now we can just push it down until the position in here, and double click and just make group. Then now we can select the glass and assign the materials in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, then now we can make the line again in here. You can double click and copy, exit from the group, and then paste in place. Then now we can select move and just place to the position here, and just offset it outside and push it up, type 100 millimeter in here. and then make group in here. Okay, then we can just click and push it until the limit in here and erase some unnecessary line in here. Okay, and then now we can erase the another materials. Okay, then now we can push it until the position in here. Okay, can erase some part of this frame in here. Erase this one. Okay, because I will combine it with the another mesh in here, with the another mesh building. Okay, so this is the another mesh building over there, and push it to the front in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click, and just make group. Now we can assign the materials with using the color. Okay, you can use this color and just click, select the horizontal line and select move and just place, type 8 slash and enter in here. Okay, and then just select the vertical, select move, tap control and just place, type 4 slash and enter in here. Select move, tap control and just place, type 8 slash and enter in here. So this is about the another concept, or maybe we can just we can push it to the another side. Okay, and after that, now we can assign the materials with using the glass materials in here approximately. Okay, just like this. Okay, then now we can just place this one and place this one, and then now we can make the curve landscape in here. Okay, we can offset it outside in here. Okay, now we can assign with the landscaping and adjust the landscaping in here, and now we can set up about the tree. Okay, I think that one, and select the glass materials with the green glass materials in here. Okay, and then now we can also add the silhouette. We can also add the silhouette people. Okay, that's all, and now we can set up about the shadow. Okay, and after that, now we can also change the style with using this style. Okay, and this one, so you can explore more about this meshing. And thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial about this commercial building, about another commercial building on this channel. Thank you very much.